Hello friends, I am here with 20 multiple choice questions based on various forms of markets which are very important for UPSC, BPSC, JPSC and other economics examinations. So question number 1. A market is best defined as A place where goods are sold, B, a system where buyers and sellers interact, C, a physical shop, D, a place where only sellers exist. Answer is B. That is a place where buyers and sellers interact. A market is in economics refers to a system where buyers and sellers interact to exchange goods and services, not necessarily a physical place. Example is online platform like Amazon represent market without physical presence. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a type of market structure? A, monopoly, B, oligopoly, C, perfect competition, D, deregulation. Answer is D, deregulation. Deregulation is a government policy, not a market structure. Perfect competition exists in agricultural markets. Question number 3. In perfect competition, the price is determined by A, government, B, buyer, C, seller, D, market forces of demand and supply. Answer is D, market forces of demand and supply. In perfect competition, price is equal to equilibrium where demand equals supply, like wheat market where many buyers and sellers exist. Question number 4. Which market has a single seller and many buyers? A, oligopoly, B, monopoly, C, monopolistic competition, C, D, duopoly. Answer is B, that is monopoly. Monopoly means only one seller controls the supply of goods. Like example is Indian Railways. Before privatization was a monopoly in passenger rail services also. Question number 5. Price discrimination is possible only under A, perfect competition, B, monopoly, C, oligopoly, D, monopolistic competition. Answer is B, monopoly. A monopolist can charge different prices for the same product to different customers. Like example is movie theater charging different prices for students and adults. Question number 6. In monopolistic competition, products are A, homogeneous, B, perfect substitutes, C, differentiated but close substitutes, D, completely different. Answer is C, that is differentiated but close substitutes. Form sale similar but not identical products like different brands of toothpaste. Question number 7. In oligopoly, the number of firms is 1, few, B, few large firms, C, many small firms, D, infinite. Answer is B, that is few large firms. Oligopoly is characterized by a few large sellers dominating the market. For example, automobile industry. Examples are Maruti, Hyundai, Tata, etc. Question number 8. Which market has the highest degree of price control by the seller? A, perfect competition, B, monopoly, C, monopolistic competitions, D, oligopoly. Answer is B, that is monopoly. In monopoly, the seller is a price maker. Utility companies in some areas are example of it. Question number 9. In perfect competition, average revenue is equal to A, MR, that is marginal revenue, B, MC, marginal cost, C, TR is total revenue, D, none. Answer is A, MR. AR is equal to MR is equal to price in perfect competition. Example, if price is rupees 10, average revenue and marginal revenue will be equal to rupees 10. Question number 10. A cartel is a feature of which market structure? A, monopoly. B, oligopoly. C, monopolistic competition. D, perfect competition. Answer is B, oligopoly. Cartels are formed by firms in oligopoly to fix prices. Example is OPEC in oil industry. Question number 11. The cross elasticity of demand in perfect competition is A, 0, B, infinite, C, 1, D, negative. Answer is B, that is infinite. Perfect substitutes make cross elasticity infinite. Example, identical wheat from two farmers. Question number 12. Which of the following market is most realistic in modern economics? A, perfect competition. B, monopoly. C, monopolistic competition. D, oligopoly. Answer is C, that is monopolistic competition. Most real world markets show product differentiation and many sellers. For example, mobile phone companies and their brands. Question number 13. Dumping is associated with A, internal trade. B, international trade. C, local market. D, none. Answer is B, that is international trade. Selling goods in foreign markets at lower price and than domestic market is dumping. For example, Chinese goods in Indian market. Question number 14. Kinked demand curve is related to A, monopoly. B, perfect competition. C, oligopoly. D, monopolistic competition. Answer is C, that is oligopoly. Selling goods in foreign market is dumping. Oligopoly firms face kinked demand curve because of interdependence in pricing. Example is telecom companies. Question number 15. Which of the following is a feature of perfect competition? A, product differentiation. B, free entry and exit. C, price maker. D, few sellers. Answer is B, that is free entry and exit. Perfect competition allows free entry and exit of firms. For example, vegetable market. Question number 16. Price rigidity is a feature of A, monopoly. B, monopolistic competition. C, oligopoly. D, perfect competition. Answer is C, that is oligopoly. Oligopoly firms avoid frequent price change to prevent price wars. Example is cement industry. Question number 17. Which of the following is not true for monopoly? A, one seller. B, no close substitute. C, free entry and exit. D, price maker. Answer is C, that is free entry and exit. Entry is restricted in monopoly. For example, patented products. Question number 18. Price leadership is common in A, monopoly. B, oligopoly. C, perfect competition. D, monopolistic competition. Answer is B, that is oligopoly. Leading firm sales price, sets price, and others follow in oligopoly. Example is the Indian telecom market and geo effect. Question number 19. In which market is advertising most important? A, perfect competition. B, monopoly. C, oligopoly and monopolistic competition. D, none. Answer is C, oligopoly and monopolistic competition. Firms use advertising to differentiate products. Example is FMCG sector. So that's all for today.